Hello, my name's Paul, Dr. Paul Dudley, and I'm the Dean here at iQualify UK. I'm proud to be introducing the PGCert in Education. The Postgraduate Certificate in Education has been specifically designed for those considering coming into the teaching profession and those that are already in the teaching profession. The PGCert is accredited by iQualify. So you move from being a teacher with some skills to being a certified teacher, ready for the 21st century and equipped with a skill set to be able to enable you to do the best job possible in your workplace, i.e. the classroom. I'm passionate about education myself, and I'm passionate about the PGCert and the opportunities it opens for your career development. I look forward to welcoming you on the course.